Are you struggling with that nagging bicep injury in the front of your shoulder or bicep tendonitis? In this video, I'm going to talk about how to test for it, what it is, and 3 key exercises to help get relief fast. So let's talk about what bicep tendonitis actually is. Bicep tendonitis occurs when there's irritation to the bicep tendon that connects the shoulder to the bicep muscle. It's either from overuse or other activities to that same spot. You'll likely feel pain with reaching overhead, pushing or pulling with that shoulder. But here's something important to understand. Bicep tendonitis is a symptom, not a cause. One of the main causes of bicep tendonitis is actually weakness of your rotator cuff muscles. Your rotator cuff is made up of 4 muscles that attach from your shoulder blade to the shoulder and provide stability to the shoulder joint itself. When these muscles are weak, the bicep tendon has to make up for it and have to take on repetitive load more than it's used to. Over time, that extra work leads to irritation, inflammation, and pain in that bicep region. Something else to consider that's often missed in traditional healthcare is median nerve referral to that bicep area. The median nerve starts in the neck but actually moves to the bicep area and can cause referral pain there. That is why the proper program should be addressing bicep tendonitis by addressing the rotator cuff issues and potentially the nerve tension from the median nerve. Before we dive into those exercises to really help calm down the shoulder, let's talk about how to self-diagnose a bicep tendonitis. The test that we like to use is called Speeds test. What you're going to do is you're going to have your palm facing up and you're going to have your arm out in front of you at 90 degrees. From there, you're going to take your other hand and provide resistance to your arm while holding your arm in that position. Are you experiencing any pain? Take note of where that pain is. If the pain is at the bicep tendon, it likely could be bicep tendonitis at play. If the test is positive, don't worry. This is a totally normal sign for people that are having that pain in the front of the shoulder. Now, let's get into these exercises to help calm down the pain and also build your strength back up. The first exercise is called a median nerve glide. You can experience a lot of different things with this exercise, such as tingling, shaking, pain, or tightness. These are all symptoms of median nerve tension, so don't be frightened if you're experiencing any of those things in your shoulder and that bicep area. It can definitely be a contributing factor to it. The best part is the test is the exercise. Let's get into it. You're going to start in a teapot position, having your fingers touching your shoulder. From there, you're going to extend your elbow, wrist, and fingers down towards the ground as you side bend your neck to the opposite ear. A good rule of thumb is whenever your hand is moving, your neck is also moving. We are flossing the nerve from the neck and also the fingers to help to get it gliding better. Complete 2 sets of 10 of this exercise on both shoulders and see if it feels different. If it feels different, you're likely having some type of median nerve referral on that side. I know you're struggling with shoulder pain and you obviously want to fix it, so text me the word pain to 720-710-4371 and I'll send you my free shoulder pain fix demo. Now back to the show. The next exercise is called a banded W hold and is for rotator cuff strength and shoulder stability. This exercise is going to target the back of the shoulder and help open up the space to offload the bicep tendon. Grab a light band and keeping your elbows by your side, you're going to pull the band apart, creating tension in the back of your shoulders, bringing your shoulder blades together. Hold that position for 5 seconds and then slowly release out of it. Complete 2 sets of 8 reps with a 5-second hold. Your shoulders will be absolutely burning after this, and this is exactly the stimulus that we're going for. The last exercise is called a 2-position banded shoulder flexion hold, with the goal to increase blood flow and healing to the bicep tendon. Fair warning, this exercise can be very spicy, but in a good way. You're going to grab a band and you're going to step on it. From there, you're going to have your thumb pointed up and you're going to raise your arm into a 45-degree position. You're going to lift your arm to your shoulder height next and then hold. You're going to hold this position for 5 seconds. After the 5 seconds, you're now going to transition to lifting it above your head. At the top position, you're once again going to hold that for 5 seconds. Now, as opposed to starting from the original position, you're going to go to that first position and hold that tension again. You're going to alternate 5 seconds at a time between those 2 positions, having the shoulders shaking and burning. Complete 2 sets of 30 to 50 seconds of this exercise. If it's feeling good, challenge it a little bit more by increasing the time under demand. So there it is, 3 targeted exercises to really help bicep tendonitis. With the median nerve glides relieving any median nerve referral that you could have to the shoulder, banded W holds to really target that rotator cuff and stability of the shoulder, and the banded 2-position flexion holds to really target the front of the shoulder and provide healing to the area. Although these exercises are great starting positions for someone with bicep tendonitis, it is not the ultimate cure for it. The first step is establishing what the root cause is of the bicep tendonitis. As we discussed earlier, bicep tendonitis is not the cause, it's the symptom. You have to figure out why you're getting that pain in that area in the first place. After you have that root cause established, you can understand what someone truly needs to get the shoulder better, to not only get out of pain, but also prevent that pain from coming back in the future. With our clients, our focus is always on longevity and having someone live an active lifestyle without that shoulder pain or other issues. If you're tired of guessing, trying different exercises on YouTube, or doing the generic physical therapy exercise that you were given, and you're ready to take the next step to fixing your shoulder, then text me the word pain to 720-710-4371 to get a tailored step-by-step approach on how to permanently fix your shoulder pain. Our mission at Comeback Performance is to help over 1 million people around the world eliminate their shoulder pain, avoid unnecessary imaging, injections, and surgeries, and get their lives back. After you reach out, please like and subscribe to the channel. We're putting out daily content based on your guys' questions on shoulder-related topics regarding pain and rehab. At Comeback Performance, the comeback is always stronger than the setback.